play A minor or C, and then F. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are doing Salt Water by Sheeran. Let's get right into it. So right from the intro, we're gonna play capo on 4th fret, and we're playing the chords in C. Alright. Okay, so the chords for the beginner are A minor to F, and then C. That's your intro and verse, and then G. Right? So you play that twice, and then we get into na 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 na. I think there's like the second part. It's alright to go. And then if you want to spice things up, you can play an E major or E minor. So this is advanced player, and I'm gonna show you how to play that later. But 4th, and then you play C. A minor, water, and then C again, and then G. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the beginner. And then intermediate, you can pluck the strings. And for A minor, it's 5 4 3 2, and then C 5 4 3 2 again. F is 6 5 4 3 for F major, and then for G 6 4 3 2. Okay, and then the advanced player is gonna mute the strings when they strum, and the strumming pattern here is basically up up down 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 up up down 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 up up down 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 up up down. So water, it's D minor to G. It was just a dream, A minor, and then F. D minor, off to G. So you can play A minor or C, and then F. So A minor, I'm standing on the edge. F, raising all to hell, and then C. Is it something else? C, G, and then again A minor. So here you can play like A7 chords, and then F. Water. Also, right at the end, there's this so that's essentially you're playing still A minor, and you're plucking the intermediate strings, right? The ones that I told you to pluck, you're just picking them one by one. So and this is 5th fret, 2nd string. Alternatively, if you find this hard, you can just play open you can just play open 6th string, right? Open 1st string, sorry. It's the same note, right? So you can A minor, and then F, and then C, and then G, and then here you're gonna do 3 5 3 1 on the same string, which is the 2nd string. 3 5 3 1. Or if you're using the 1st string, you can play second, 3rd, and then open 1, and then back to 2nd on the 3rd string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string. So that's 2 1 2 1, right? Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this song, except right before we get into the chorus, right, I just want to clarify that there's an F right at the end. So when you play your verse, right, which is A minor, F, C, and then G, right, and then you play that I believe 4 times, right? Na, 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 na. A minor, F, na, 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 na. C, oh for love, man, so for love. F right there, and then C, F. So right at the end of each verse, there's just an F, like a flat F, because he repeats the "it's all for love," right? Yeah, that's pretty much it for this song, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to share it with your friends, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.